In a tank far, far away, a big group of fish live swimmingly in the city of Pisces. Every morning, they wake up and eagerly wait for their delicious food to fall from the sky. Little Johnny's mom tells him that if he eats all of his food, he'll grow up to be big and strong like his dad. The food is packed with proteins, a crucial part in growth and reproduction of living things. Proteins are made up of polypeptides, or long strands of amino acids. Nitrogen is found in all amino acids, the monomer of polypeptides. Therefore, when the fish eat the food, they consume nitrogen that must be cycled out. Their neighbors, the Dobrowolskis, are expecting hundreds of baby snails, and Johnny is so excited to have someone to play with, all thanks to nitrogen. Nitrogen is also a key part of nucleotides, which make up DNA and RNA so that everything can live and grow. One day, Johnny was swimming along when he had a little accident. Although his friends made fun of him, this was an important part of a process called ammonification, where waste, which contains harmful ammonia, is converted into ammonium by nitrogen-fixing bacteria. If it weren't for these bacteria, the city of Pisces would be unsafe for Johnny and his family. On the west side of town is the filter, where the ammonium is changed into nitrates and nitrites. These compounds are even more accessible for the plants in the city to use. They too need nitrogen for DNA, RNA, and proteins. They have to grow big and strong so Johnny and his friends can have a nutritious snack before bedtime. However, the fish must share the delicious plants with the bugs of the city. While the bugs are consuming nitrogen by eating the plants, their shells, which are made of chitin, contain nitrogen as well. When the bugs die, they release ammonia while decomposing. In the morning, little Johnny and his family wake up and the cycle starts all over again. They live happily in their little city, one where a very important cycle takes place day and night. Little Johnny plays only a small part in this cycle, but a very significant one. He aids in the transfer of nitrogen, which ultimately allows for the fish to live, grow, and just keep swimming. Here is a quick overview of the nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen enters the environment through reservoirs in the atmosphere. Atmospheric nitrogen must be fixed by nitrogen-fixing bacteria in order to be a part of the cycle. However, in this case, the fish food introduces nitrogen into the tank. The food is eaten by the fish and excreted through their waste. The nitrogen enters the soil and serves as a fertilizer for plants after going through ammonification and then being converted into nitrates and nitrites. The fish, or other animals, eat the plants, which starts the cycle all over again. The nitrogen can also be removed from the soil in the form of gas through denitrification, which allows nitrogen to return to the reservoirs.